So welcome to another edition of our Restore series for IBM Spectrum Protect Plus. In this particular video, we're going to do a restore of a Hyper-V VM. So we'll log into the interface. And we come to the dashboard. We'll select Hypervisor, Hyper-V, and Restore. We'll then navigate through the hypervisor to the specific VMs that we'd like to restore. So I'll select the first one, add it to my restore list or shopping cart. Then I can select Options, Manage the Job, or Restore. First I'll select Options, and you'll see here I have the original Hyper-V host or cluster selected. I will do it in test mode. I could select some scripts if I'd like, and some advanced options. So first I'm going to expand advanced options and power on after recovery. Once I've done that, I'll select Save. That saves my job, and then I'll click Restore. That successfully created the job. And now you can see the job is running in the job session screen. Now you can see the job as completed with a progress of 100%. Took 2 minutes 9 seconds, and you can see A9 VM1 test 00 at the bottom in resources. We can also look at the job log by expanding this button here and scrolling through the log itself. So now that we've completed the restore, what we're going to do is we're going to clean up. So I click Clean Up, or I can move it to production and migrate the virtual machine, or clone it. But I'm going to select Clean Up. And you can see here that the resource is no longer available. And it'll be cleaned up from the hypervisor. So that's doing a restore with IBM Spectrum Protect Plus for Hyper-V virtual machines.